Welcome back to Study Tech Hub. If you want to work smarter and not harder this year, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving straight into the best free AI tools you absolutely need to explore in 2026. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It is completely transforming how we work, study, and interact with technology. Today, we're going to highlight the most impactful free tools that are guaranteed to enhance your productivity, streamline your daily tasks, and spark innovation. But first, let's trace how we got here. Back in 2015, we saw the rise of early machine learning frameworks. By 2020, user-friendly tools started hitting the business world. Then came the massive leap in 2024 with natural language processing, which gave us the smart assistants we use today. And now, in 2026, we finally have access to comprehensive, entirely free AI suites for both personal and professional use. So what makes the top tools of 2026 so special? It comes down to four main things: enhanced automation features, incredibly user-friendly interfaces, advanced analytics, and seamless collaborative features that make team projects a breeze. The impact is undeniable. Check out these stats. 70% of businesses are adopting AI tools by this year. Users are reporting a massive 50% increase in productivity and a 40% reduction in operational costs. Plus, 60% say AI has directly improved their decision-making. And we're just getting started. The roadmap for the next few years is incredibly exciting. While 2026 is all about integrating AI into our daily workflows, by 2027, we'll see an expansion across new industries. By 2028, these tools will be essential resources driving innovation across the globe. Let's compare two prime examples. Tool A is a powerhouse for natural language processing, offering seamless integration, completely free, with premium upgrades available if you need them. On the other hand, Tool B specializes in data analysis and visualization. It features an intuitive dashboard that is entirely free, making it a perfect popular choice for educators, students, and small businesses. As the experts say, embracing AI tools will be critical for businesses aiming for efficiency and innovation in 2026. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Study Tech Hub for more tech tool reviews, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI this week. See you in the next one.